How to log into MyHR CVS Employee Portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want. Now tap on the search box and search for MyHR CVS Employee Portal. This website, that is myhr.cvs.com. Now here you can find two different sections. One is for current CVS colleagues and the second one is for former colleagues. Now if you are the current user, you want to click on the colleague zone and then log in from that web portal. If you are the former colleague, you want to log in from this portal right here. So here you want to enter your user ID, then enter your password. Now tap on the log on button to log into your account. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you have the option to retrieve it. Simply tap on this link. If you are a new user, you can register by clicking on the new user link. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.